NPM just got hit hard. A major supply chain attack in September 2025 compromised some of the biggest packages in the JavaScript ecosystem, including Chalk, Minimist, and debug. If you write JavaScript, this is your problem too. This wasn't just some small exploit. It was a classic supply chain attack, where hackers inserted malware into widely used packages by hijacking maintainer accounts via phishing. Once published, the malware spread to thousands of apps through automatic installs. Here's just a few of the infected packages: Chalk, strip-ansi, ansi-styles, minimist, micromatch, and wordwrap, all deeply embedded in modern Nodejs apps. If you've used these, your project may already be exposed. Worried you're affected? Run npm audit or yarn audit right now. Check your lockfiles. Rotate any exposed secrets. And enable too far on your npm account. Tools like Snyk and Socket.dev can help detect malicious behavior early. This attack won't be the last. Supply chain hacks are now a top threat for developers. Stay proactive, audit often, use security tooling, and follow DevSecOps best practices. Like, share, subscribe, and stay one step ahead.